Hey guys, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Juno Co Moonshine Miracle Creams. Timestamps are in the description below. If you're looking for a specific piece of information, it's going to be there. Now, when I first saw this packaging, I thought the cream was going to be black. I don't know if that happened to any of you guys. I thought it was going to be like a glittery black mask, but it's actually not. It's white. Here's how it looks like on the inside. So this is supposed to act like a very moisturizing primer. I think you could just use it as a moisturizer. I definitely have, and you can also use it as a primer. Let me just tell you guys right now that I am freaking-cessed, and I don't take that lightly. I'm obsessed with how hydrating this is. I was sent this for free. I am obsessed with it. So I reached out to them and I got an affiliate code for you guys. So if you guys end up purchasing, you can use my code at Phae15 for 15% off. Now, I have combination skin, but it veers more towards dry. So when I put this on, I kid you not, my face feels like a baby's butt. I have never had my face feel so soft and moisturized probably since I was a baby, so that's really amazing. So Juno Co sent this to me, but all reviews are my own. So I kid you not, when I put this on my face, I was extremely blown away by how great it is at moisturizing and making your skin feel so soft. So anyways, let's go into an ingredient analysis. So first up, we have glycerin, which is really good at helping your skin feel soft and supple. So the next ingredient I'm going to focus on is avocado oil. Now, avocado is really good at helping replenish your skin's fatty acids, and it also has antioxidant properties. It also keeps your face free from any free radical damage. And if you're like, what the heck is free radical? Basically, long story short, with environmental pollutants out there, free radicals are created. So those are basically highly reactive components and can result to having some damage on your skin. So by protecting yourself from free radical damage, it keeps your skin looking young and glowy. Avocado oil also has an active role in collagen production. Now, the one downside to avocado oil is that on the comedogenic rating, which as I've said before is basically a rating on how likely it is to clog someone's pores, 5 being very highly likely and 0 being not likely at all. So this scores a 3 out of 5. Personally, I did not break out from this. So what you want to do is if you have sensitive skin, you're going to put it on your hand, see if you have any sort of reactions right away. If you don't, great, put it behind your ear because behind your ear skin is more similar to your face texture than your hand. That's just the one thing that doesn't make avocado a perfect ingredient, but it's really hard to be a perfect ingredient, let's be real. Next up, we have methylpropanediol, and this leaves your skin to have a smooth, dewy finish. Now, these next slew of ingredients I want to talk about, these prevent moisture loss and act as an emollient, which is just a fancy word as saying that it is moisturizing. Then we have bentane, which works to balance your skin's hydration. And then we have tocopherol acetate, which is vitamin E, which also is an antioxidant. It helps combat any free radical damage. It also might be beneficial at reducing UV damage done to the skin. Next up, we have sodium hyaluronate, which replenishes a lot of moisture. It also enhances the skin's absorptions of other ingredients, so it works really well in a moisturizing formula such as this. It can also smooth the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines and improve your skin's texture. Lastly, I want to point out the bitter orange flower oil. So this has fragrant components. That's typically not good for sensitive skin. Actually, this is like a red flag for sensitive skin. Again, I had no personal problems with it, but each person's skin, your mileage will vary. That is a huge part of skincare and why not one thing works for every single person, because everyone's skincare needs to be tailored. So here's me putting on the Moonshine Primer. Again, it feels really nice to the touch. It's super moisturizing, but it doesn't feel heavy, which is like an amazing thing because I feel usually really moisturizing things can weigh down your skin and just feel icky to wear. So I live in South Florida. I'm in the thick of summer, so it's really hot, really humid, and I do not have any issues with this on my skin whatsoever. I also wanted to test how it acts as a primer. So right now I just have foundation and concealer. I have some lip blush on too, but I really like how it applied with my makeup. So as you guys can see, it does really well with my foundation and my makeup. I personally love how it applies underneath. I didn't experience any caking whatsoever. So it goes really, really well under makeup. Honestly, I am extremely impressed with this. I think that this might be one of my favorite products that I have tried in 2020. Highly recommend. I give this a 6 out of 5. It's so awesome. So if you guys end up purchasing this, please use my code at Phae15. It'll give you 15% off. Again, I highly recommend it. So that concludes my review on the Juno Co Moonshine Primer. I hope you guys found this video really informational, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I always genuinely appreciate it. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe. All you have to do is click my face right here, and you can watch some of my other skincare videos right here. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye.